Ready to launch your own supplement empire without the headaches of manufacturing and fulfillment? First, head over to supliful.com. This is your all-in-one platform for creating and selling private label supplements. Next, explore their extensive product catalog. From vitamins and minerals to protein powders and specialty formulas, choose the supplements that align with your target audience and brand vision. Now, unleash your creativity and design your product labels. Supliful provides easy task tools to customize your branding, ensuring your supplements stand out on the shelf. Don't skip this crucial step while you create eye-catching product mockups. Use these visuals for your website, social media, and marketing campaigns to attract customers. Time to set up your online store. Supliful integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, making it easy to list your products and start taking orders. Last but not least, promote your new supplement line. Leverage social media, influencer marketing, and email campaigns to reach your target audience and drive sales. And that's it. With Supliful, you can launch your online supplement business in a matter of days. Don't wait. Start building your brand today.